everybody, it's Sienna. Welcome back to another unboxing video. So without further ado, let's see what's inside this package. I'm just gonna is it open? Ooh, sparkly. And this is from Tommy. Thank you so much, Tommy. Sequins. Oh. Love that. Ooh. Whoa, very shiny. Okay, so it's like a rose gold sequined cami top. And it has like these really stretchy straps, I guess. And they're white. And it looks like a nice like formal kind of top. You could wear it with like, you know, a skirt. Or you could wear it with like jeans. And yeah, I'm gonna go try this on. So I'll be right back. So I paired this top with a skirt for a more formal look. And of course this is from Amazon. So if you do see it, just want to let you know that it's a little bit on the shorter side. But of course, my preference, you know. Really love it still. It's a little bit scratchy, but that does not matter because I mean look how cute it is. Look how sparkly it is. I mean look how shiny. Like we love. And it's pink, which love pink. Anyway, but thank you so much, Tommy. I really love it. So once again, thank you so much, Tommy, and thank you to all of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. I'm grateful for you all. See you later.